Hi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to together how to make such an impressive logo for your client. Please follow the video to the end, and if you like it, feel free to subscribe and click like the video. This is your support for my content. Now let's go. At first we draw a circle. Then we choose a line segment tool and draw a perfectly balanced horizontal line. Select the entire shape, and choose Pathfinder tool, and divide the shape two parts. Select the shape again and choose Ungroup to separate the two parts from each other. Increase the thickness of the stroke. And then choose the pen tool, and start drawing the mountain and its details as you see. I'm going to speed up the video due to don't take much time. Choose the logo parts and give them the color you want. Remove stroke from all logo elements. Then choose the circle and press Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+F to copy it in place. Then choose gradient and pick the right color. Draw another circle and color it to be like the sun from behind the mountain. Choose pen tool and draw the base as you can see. Put the mountain element in the foreground. And here we almost done. Choose your favorite font and make it this elegant shape. Then put slogan here below the logo. Go to character, and then choose the value of spacing between letters. Keep a copy of the fonts used, to easily adjust the line in the future. Select all the lines and press right-click, Create Outline. Then color the lines as you like. Don't forget to save the work. Congratulations! Here we are just finished, and you have a new modern logo. I hope I have provided useful content for you, and see you in the next video. Thank you for your time.